In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your parents proud of you again. Just kidding, that's not possible. But I am going to show you how to use the bulk scanner with Originality. So come over here to the left side of your dashboard, click bulk scanner, and then start new bulk scan. You're going to see this screen here. It's super easy, looks a little complex, but all you have to do is you upload a CSV file. So we're just going to click here and then upload this file that I've got ready. And this is going to take a second to process here. While it's processing, you can kind of see which content is ready for scanning and which content has failed. In this case, it failed because it has too few words. That's usually why it's going to fail. If it does fail, you need at least 50. So over here, you can select what kind of scans you want to run. In this case, we're just going to do an AI scan. We're not going to do plagiarism, fact checking, or anything else. And here you can see how many credits this is going to use. Now, this is a really big file, has a ton of content. So my credit count, you can see, is kind of creeping up here. Feels like I'm in a taxi. It just takes me further and further, and I see my price going higher and higher. But in this case, we're going to see that this finished with 989 valid pieces of content. I think there were only 990 rows in this CSV file, so this is perfect. And here you're going to click Start Scan. So once this starts, the scan is just going to run in the background. You're going to get an email when this is ready. You can see its progress right here. And then if you want to come over here to Bulk Scanner and then My Bulk Scans, it's going to show up right here. It's going to show you how much of it's complete. You can see this is already kind of getting checked off as we're watching. But I already scanned this, so you don't have to wait around and watch. You can see of this file, we had 871 that were identified as AI. If you want to see the results, you can click View Results, or if you want to just download it, you can download it right here. So that's super easy. We're going to click View Results in this case, and here you can see all of the content itself. Over here, you can click View Results, and I think by the time you see this, we're actually going to show the AI score in this table right here. So if you have any questions, always feel free to chat with us here in support. We're always going to be happy to help.